guys, it's Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite things to do on the Cricut Heat Transfer Vinyl on Wood. It is super easy to add any custom image or text to a piece of wood. Just follow these simple steps. Today I'm going to be using glitter heat transfer vinyl, or HTV, and everyday iron-on my wood piece. So I already painted this wood piece black, and as you can see, it is completely dry. So our next step is going to be taking our weeding tool and removing all of the excess vinyl. Overall, I definitely say I'm a big fan of heat transfer vinyl. I think it's easier to use than regular vinyl, especially when putting it on surfaces like wood or even canvas. So we got a little glitter ghost we're going to put on our wood. The next thing we're going to do is weed out the regular everyday iron-on. I'm using the Cricut Easypress today when I apply the HTV onto the wood. I tried to use a regular iron when I first got my Cricut and I was not having any luck. I really love using the Cricut Easypress. I have the 9x9 and I think it works great. As I mentioned, I'm going to use the Cricut Easypress. So for glitter and HTV, Cricut recommends, if you're using it on wood, to have it be for 40 seconds at 300 degrees. I'm also going to be using a piece of parchment paper, and this will just help to protect the Cricut and make sure there's not any lines or anything on your piece. Cricut's all ready. I'm just going to take it and put it directly on here. And just apply medium pressure with both hands. Alright, so now it's done. Time to take it off. Let's see what we got. It's super important to make sure if you're using the Cricut Easypress to either have a towel underneath or get one of the Cricut mats. If you try to use it without it under your project, it may not work. And look at that. Easy peasy, not even fighting it. Just, like I said, so much easier than forcing the transfer tape with regular permanent vinyl on here. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to use heat transfer vinyl on wood. I'm Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.